Welcome to how to apply for a job using JobCrypt. To apply for a job using JobCrypt, the first thing you have to understand is that the JobCrypt website requires you to stake a small amount of currency just to prove that you're a human being. So the first thing you have to do is you need to approve. In this case, we're using CELO Euro. All right, you confirm that. And then we stake. Yeah. And we confirm that. Right. Don't we just wait for a little time for our indicator to change? And there we go. So now we're staked. Yeah. And we have the unstake button, which will return your funds. There is no interest which is charged with respect to staking. So just please be aware of that. Once you're staked, you can now apply for jobs on JobCrypt. So if we select a job that we want, we then engage our MetaMask again. And then we simply click apply here. We then wait a little while the transactions are going across on the blockchain. And there you go. You get the email or the link, the application details to which you need to send your resume, and away you go. Now you can apply on JobCrypt. Thank you.